No. I'm trying to follow the map. You need to quit it. Mason.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Take a picture of puzzle.
It's not a puzzle, it's a railroad track.
It is. Kind of like
Yeah, it's kind of like a puzzle, I guess.
Take a picture of the track.
I am. I'm taking a picture of you right now.
Mason,
Cheese.
move out of the way, baby.
Cheese.
Say hi.
Mason.
What cheese?
Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Thanks for all the presents, Grandma.
There's a present, Grandma. Thanks.
Let's go help Mommy.
No, Mommy does not want help.
Mommy needs help. She's not sure what she's doing.
I know exactly what I'm doing.
I want to do it.
Why not this stuff? Mason.
What, those right there? Those right there.
No, that does not go right there.
Why?
I'm serious.
Mason,
What?
let's play with something else till Mommy's done.